everybody. I hope you're all okay and keeping safe. Today I'm going to make a simple Play-Doh so that you could maybe make this with your grown-ups. So first of all we need 2 cups of flour. I've already poured 1, so 1, 2, 1 cup of salt. We go 1, and give that a little mix. I'm going to need some oil. It can be vegetable oil or sunflower oil, whatever you've got at home. We need 1 tablespoon. 1 cup of warm water, not too hot. You can get your grown up to get the water ready for you. Pour that in and get mixing. You can add some food colouring. I've got blue, but you can use any colour that you have. Mine's going to be, pour it all in, have it nice and blue. Sometimes you might have to add a little bit more water. I'm going to use my hands now. It's really, really easy to make. There we go. And you can look, break it, roll it, and it's all ready for you to create anything you like. Star shape here. A lovely star. But have fun, all take care and stay safe. Bye.